How to make passive income with ChatGPT and MIDJOURNEY AI. Generating passive income with $5,000 per month ChatGPT and MIDJOURNEY AI, or any AI platform is possible. Passive income typically refers to earning money without active involvement or continuous effort on your part. While AI technology can provide various services and solutions, such as customer support, content generation, or data analysis, these usually require active management, oversight, and customization. To generate income using AI platforms, you might consider the following approaches. Join MIDJOURNEY AI's partnership or affiliate program. Check if MIDJOURNEY AI offers a partnership or affiliate program. Joining such programs can provide you with a commission or referral fee for promoting their services. Create valuable content. Develop content that showcases the benefits and use cases of using ChatGPT and MIDJOURNEY AI. This could include blog posts, videos, tutorials, or case studies. Focus on providing useful information and addressing common pain points or challenges faced by potential users. Promote your content. Share your content on relevant platforms such as social media, forums, or industry-specific websites. Engage with the community and establish yourself as a knowledgeable resource in the field of AI and chatbots. Include affiliate links. Embed your affiliate or partnership links within your content. These links will track the referrals you generate, and you'll receive a commission when someone makes a purchase or signs up for MIDJOURNEY AI's services through your links. Offer consulting or implementation services. If you have expertise in AI implementation or chatbot development, you can offer consulting or implementation services to businesses interested in using ChatGPT and MIDJOURNEY AI. This can be a way to generate additional income while leveraging the technology. Build an email list. Create an email list of interested individuals or businesses who are looking for AI solutions or chatbot services. Provide valuable content and updates related to ChatGPT and MIDJOURNEY AI, and occasionally promote relevant offers or discounts to your subscribers. Continuously improve your knowledge. Stay updated with the latest advancements in AI, chatbots, and related technologies. Attend webinars, conferences, and training sessions to enhance your expertise and provide valuable insights to your audience. Remember that making passive income requires consistent effort and dedication. It's essential to provide value to your audience, build trust, and maintain an active presence in the AI and chatbot community. Join MIDJOURNEY AI's partnership or affiliate program. To join MIDJOURNEY AI's partnership or affiliate program, I recommend visiting their official website and exploring their partnership or affiliate sections. There you may find details about their program, eligibility criteria, and instructions on how to apply. Look for any contact information or application forms provided on their website, and reach out to them directly for the most accurate and up-to-date information. Alternatively, you can search online for MIDJOURNEY AI Partnership Program or MIDJOURNEY AI Affiliate Program to find any relevant information or resources that may be publicly available. Create valuable content. When it comes to creating valuable content, especially in the context of promoting MIDJOURNEY AI and ChatGPT, here are some ideas to consider. Educational blog posts. Write informative articles that explain the benefits, features, and use cases of AI chatbots, focusing on how MIDJOURNEY AI and ChatGPT specifically address common challenges or provide unique solutions. Offer practical tips, case studies, or step-by-step guides to help readers understand the technology better. Video tutorials. Create video content that demonstrates how to use MIDJOURNEY AI's chatbot platform or showcases the capabilities of ChatGPT. Provide walkthroughs, demonstrations, or real-world examples that highlight the effectiveness and potential applications of the technology. Comparison articles. Compare MIDJOURNEY AI's chatbot platform and ChatGPT with other similar solutions in the market. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of different platforms, and present an objective assessment of why MIDJOURNEY AI stands out. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, integrations, and pricing. Case studies. Share success stories or case studies of businesses or organizations that have implemented MIDJOURNEY AI's chatbot solution. Highlight the specific challenges they faced and how ChatGPT helped them achieve their goals. Include measurable results, such as increased customer engagement, improved conversion rates, or cost savings. Expert interviews or guest posts. Collaborate with industry experts or invite guest bloggers to share their insights on AI chatbots, customer experience, or related topics. This can provide diverse perspectives and add credibility to your content. FAQ and troubleshooting guides. Compile a list of frequently asked questions about ChatGPT and MIDJOURNEY AI's chatbot platform. Address common concerns or challenges users might encounter and provide step-by-step solutions or troubleshooting tips. Thought leadership articles. Share your own perspectives and predictions about the future of AI chatbots, conversational AI, or the impact of automation on various industries. Offer insights into emerging trends, best practices, or ethical considerations in the field. Remember to make your content engaging, visually appealing, and accessible to a wide audience. Use relevant keywords and optimize your content for search engines to increase its visibility. Also, encourage readers to share, comment, and interact with your content to foster a sense of community and generate more exposure for your work. Promote your content. Promoting your content is crucial to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your valuable content. Here are some strategies to effectively promote your content. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Craft engaging posts with eye-catching visuals, compelling captions, and relevant hashtags. Encourage your followers to like, share, and comment on your posts to increase visibility. Email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in AI, chatbots, or related topics. Send regular newsletters featuring your latest content, updates, and exclusive offers. Personalize your emails and make them informative and engaging to encourage recipients to click through and read your content. Guest posting. Reach out to other relevant websites, blogs, or online publications and offer to write guest posts. Include a link back to your own content within the article or in your author bio. This helps you tap into established audiences and gain exposure to new readers. Influencer outreach. Identify influential individuals or experts in the AI or chatbot industry and engage with them. Share your content with them directly or mention them in your posts. If they find value in your content, they may share it with their own followers, expanding your reach. Online communities and forums. Participate in online communities and forums related to AI, chatbots, or digital marketing. Provide helpful insights, answer questions, and engage in discussions. When appropriate, share links to your content as a valuable resource. Always follow community guidelines and avoid spamming. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.